which we're going to test with sand. And the soda would go in here, and then it's going to shoot. Hope it'll go everywhere. So we're going to go to the garden and test this. We're going to put the soda, fill this bottle with soda, and we're going to put the sand in this, and the soda will explode. Hypothesis. Let's see if it's going to shoot out.
Recording.
Bye-bye, soda of daddy. Not going to be used anymore. Bye-bye.
Daddy will drink it after. Okay, open
See
it.
if this works. I can't.
Go, it's on the side.
Oh, there's too much sand. Wow.
Wow.
That's all?
Yeah.
I want like the soda. Okay.
Yours, you just have to turn it completely upside down.
Blast off.
Okay,
It's
turn,
okay.
okay.
Katie, your turn. It's fine. Got
Ready?
stuck?
Ready?